turn on the number lock, press and hold this alt key, open the Microsoft Word in your computer, and after that type 8548, then release your finger from this alt key. You can see that the Roman numeral 5 comes here. Similarly, if you type first hold this alt key, then type 8549, release the finger from this alt. You can see the Roman numeral 6. If 8550, and release the finger from this alt key. Roman numeral 7. Again turn on this number lock, press and hold this alt key, type 8551, release the finger from this alt key. You can see that the Roman numeral 8 arrived here. 8552, and the release the finger from this alt. You can see that the Roman numeral 9 arrived here. Hope this video is useful. For more videos, subscribe. Thank you.